stomach hurts. You have to go poop or something. It's gonna be like on my face. I can't do it. And I'm gonna be known for like the shitter of the world.
Well, Uno, do you think you have to take a poop?
Yeah, I think I gotta take diarrhea. Well, you know, I heard that when... Are you okay?
Did you eat the black cock?
Oh man, I really do think I have to go. Una, is everything okay? Are you sure? Are you sure that no one's hurting you?
I felt the kick around.
Yeah. You crying? Wait, oh my god, no.
Am I gonna get sick? Oh my
Una, are you gonna get sick?
Oh god, now she's making me sick. Oh.
Nicole, are you gonna be okay?
Oh no! Oh.
Is there a virus going on or something? Is there a virus going on around here?
Oh.
Una, are you okay? Una? Una, are you sure everything's okay? Don't run, Una! Don't run! I didn't get that. Do it again. Nicole, are you okay? What's going on? Oh no, they're gonna get us, guys! Run! Run! The cops are gonna get us! Ah! Oh no, those are the guys. Those are the killers. There's the guy. What? There's the guy. Yeah. I have no idea what you're saying. Yes, Una, what do you want? Are you in trouble? Is Una in trouble? Hey, is she in trouble? Let's find out. No, do it again.
Oh yeah, cool man. Yeah. Yeah.
Una, are you okay? Is Una okay? Wait, I didn't see it. Aw, they're friends. Okay, no, let's say bye. Bye. So long. See ya.
We'll be back
Sweet criminal fucking restaurant.
tomorrow night, 8:30, 10 o'clock. I mean,
Wait, 7 p. Central.
Central. Bye.